Hi, so today I'm going to show you how I make my heat transfer vinyl logos on swimsuits. So the vinyl I'm using is Siser Easy Weed Stretch vinyl, and it's heat transfer vinyl, but the difference is this is stretchy, so it will move with the bathing suit, so it's a lot better than using a regular vinyl. So first thing I did was load the vinyl, and then I'm just making my designs in the Silhouette app. So I'm just putting some color on them so you can see. And I like to fit as much text on each 12 by 12 inch sheet as I can, just to get the most out of the vinyl. I hate wasting vinyl. So once you've got your design, just make sure that you weld the text, especially if it's squiggly writing, just so that it turns into one long writing, and then flip it horizontally before you send it off to the to get cut. And then I'm just getting the excess vinyl off. So because it's really hard to see when it's first cut out, I just start off by peeling from one of the corners and peeling the surrounding vinyl first, so that I can actually see what I'm working with. So now I can just peel away the inside vinyl, the small pieces. In the description, I'll put a link to the vinyl, and I'll also write the settings that I use on my Silhouette to cut this. But it works out perfectly. And this vinyl is so easy to weed as well. Okay, so that's all peeled. So now I'm just going to cut each slogan to separate it. You can use scissors, but I just like using this because then I get a really straight line, which really helps when I'm positioning it on the item that I'm gonna print on. Okay, next thing I'm gonna show you is just a quick extra. It's just if you've cut your lettering separately and you need to put them together, I just find this is a really easy technique to do. Because sometimes I will fit different lines on, in different spaces when I'm printing it out. So the best way to stick these together is I've just got a piece of leftover plastic that's, when you heat transfer, you get the plastic when you peel it off. So I just keep some of that, and then you can use it as tape when you want to stick shorter pieces together. So I just use the mat, the back of the mat, the non-stick side of it, and I just line up the wording. And then when you're overlapping, just make sure that you cut away any of that excess plastic. Otherwise, your logo is going to be messed up. Your slogan will be messed up when you print it. You have to make sure that the vinyl is exposed. So you don't have to do this. Some people can just put one piece down, heat press it, and then put another piece down. But I just prefer this because then I can actually have more control over how it looks without making any mistakes. Yeah, when you do that, it's as good as having one piece. This is really good as well if you're using different colors and different vinyls. Okay, with this, I'm just showing you how to fix it if you've got a messed up part of the vinyl. So with this, I accidentally pulled it with the hook. So I just snipped it in the middle and pressed it down. So next, we're going to the heat press. So I've got it set on 305 degrees Fahrenheit and 15 seconds. So just laying out the bathing suit. What I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna put the foam inside the suit, just because it gives a smoother finish. And I just wanna make sure that the suit is laid out evenly. You can use rulers and stuff if you need for this, but I'm pretty good at eyeing the lettering, and it's always even. So what I use when I press as well is I use a Teflon sheet. You might not need it, but these swimsuits are like polyester or rayon fabric or whatever, so it's it's not the the most resilient to heat fabric, so I just used the Teflon sheet just in case. So I'm just doing it twice because I just wanted to make sure that I got all the edges of the slogan, and then just peel away. And I'll save that sheet of plastic that I just peeled. And that's it. Look how great the thin stretch is. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you like and subscribe. Bye.